Romaine spinach and slaw topped with an assortment of freshly picked and locally sourced veggies, tossed then finished with a favorite dressing. The salad everyone is talking about. It's our make it on a Sunday, enjoy it for the rest of the week garden salad recipe. This video, post, and recipe happened as a result of me posting a very simple pic on our socials. It was my go-to salad for the week. Then came the comments, IMs, DMs, lots of hands up emojis going, hey Nick, show us how to make that salad. I'm happy to oblige. Before I show you how to make the salad, a couple of things I won't be showing you, like me telling you to wash all the veggies beforehand, the way you need to spin the greens and the lettuces, and then the chopping and slicing and even the julienne of carrot and parsnip. All that's on you, but when everything's ready, just grab a big salad bowl. Let's go. Let's start by adding 1 head of romaine lettuce. I cut it into bite-sized pieces, 2 handfuls of baby spinach, half a bag of store-bought slaw. Now the veggies, the julienne of 1 carrot and 1 parsnip, a handful of cherry tomatoes, they're quartered, handful of radishes divided and sliced, 1 zucchini quartered lengthwise and sliced, adds a buttery flavor, little bit of red onion, maybe a quarter, thinly sliced, 2 green onions chopped, 2 celery ribs, chunky, sliced, a handful of fresh herbs. Today I'm using dill, but you can use your favorite. So that's a thumbs up, 12 ingredient, good and healthy veggie combination like no other. Time to toss. You can see how beautiful it is with all those veggies. You can wrap it up as is or transfer it to a covered container. Then as your busy week progresses, you're eating healthy. So we're taking portions over to plates as needed. When you visit Weekend at the Cottage to check out the story and recipe, you're going to see I've attached 3 sensational dressing ideas to this post. Our tomato ginger-based Japanese dressing, a glorious green goddess with herbs, blue cheese, and a bit of mayo. Finally, our understandably popular Asian dressing with garlic, soy, and rice wine vinegar. Portion salad to a plate, dress, and you're ready to enjoy. Full recipe is up at weekendatthecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this video on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to it as well. And then when a salad is this sensational, take a picture of it. Post it on your favorite socials using hashtag weekendатthecottage on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. Make it Sunday. Enjoy it for the rest of the week. It's our garden salad recipe. All those requests for a fantastic salad answered. Ta-da! All week I make this. Yeah.